Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Thursday, October 17th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now, please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices that you will make today. Please be seated. Today we have quite a few birthdays. Today is Maximiliano Herrera's birthday. Happy birthday. Tomorrow we are not in school, but we wanted to wish Eliana Ariano a happy birthday, Edison Ventura a happy birthday, and on Saturday, Jair Martinez Hernandez also has his birthday. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and birthday weekend. If your birthday is today or this weekend, you can stop by my office and get your special birthday gift. Today, we are focusing on the fact that rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. So, I want you to think about that. You guys were really doing a great job of not touching the blue pads when you are in line to go to lunch. They're brand new and they don't want to get ruined. So I really appreciate that you were respecting our school by not touching them so that they stay new for a long time. Also, those of you, when you are standing in line and you're not touching the walls, you're not messing with anything, and when you see trash, you're picking it up, you're really respecting your school. Also, idea 26, do not save seats in the lunchroom. So you may see your friend and still in line, but we're not saving seats. We're letting anyone sit next to us. We're being social with anyone in our class. It's just the kind thing to do. All right, announcements for your ID. Some of your parents have even told me that they've spent $15 to $20 on getting you a new ID. That's crazy. You need to make sure that you put it in your backpack or on the inside of your jacket pocket or somewhere super safe so that you do not lose it. Also, today is Thursday. That means you return to your fourth block for your academic block. I know today most of you are wearing your jerseys, but make sure that the rest of your uniform is ready for Thursday. All right, we have some really special events coming up October 25th, which is next Friday. We have two really special events. The first one is that we are going to be doing the bike raffle for you guys being at school all 3 days this week and all 5 days next week. So we will be pulling out names and raffling off the brand new bikes that we bought. Second thing on October 25th is after school we're having a fall festival that you could bring your whole family to. There's going to be a lot more information about it next week, but there's going to be games, prizes, food, lots of fun. All right. Some of you may close out the week with your social emotional learning lesson, thinking before you speak, making sure that every word that you say you are saying it with intent and you're watching your words. Some announcements for this week. I know that you guys have been studying and working hard in class, so good luck to kinder and second grade and fifth grade on your exams today, and to everyone else who are prepping for their exams for next week. We had 18 scholars out on Wednesday, which means we only had a 97.33% attendance. So we did not meet our goal of 97.5. Please remind your parents that they need to bring you to school every single day. Even if you're not feeling 100%, you may go to the nurse, make sure that she treats you, and then get back to class so you do not miss any days of school. Also, today we are doing our challenge. All you had to do was be here for these 3 days this week, and you are entered in our raffle. And another exciting raffle, just as a reminder, is our 3 days this week and all 5 days next week, you will be entered to win a brand new bicycle. So our vocabulary word of the day is contraption. Say contraption. Ready? Go. It is a noun and is a device that appears to be strange, a makeshift, or complicated. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a thundering thinking Thursday, and remember, the choice is yours to have an amazing day, an amazing Thursday, and really enjoy your 3-day weekend because all your teachers and all your admin have work tomorrow. So you guys enjoy your day off. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message the ADA group chat.